Hi, Bella.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You want to do a treasure hunt today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Treasure hunt. Oh my gosh. I can't open it.
What's that?
For apple.
Apple.
Oh. Wow.
Congratulations!
Little hot bag.
Backpack?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh. For car. It's like your car. It's like your car.
Yeah.
It's your car?
Dinosaur.
For elephants.
Elephant.
It wants water. Ooh. It's F. What is that? Let's open him. Wait. For fish? F for fish. I can't. Oh. Open. Open.
It's okay. Try to open it. Open it. Good job.
Wow, speed.
What's that?
Giraffe. You like me? My house. It's like their house.
Good job.
It's their house.
Good job, sweetie.
I like you. I want ice cream, please.
Oh, wow.
Oh. I want honey, please.
That's jar.
Jar? I
Yeah.
cannot open. And the key. A tiger?
That's a lion.
Lion. Yum, yum, yum. I eat it. A giraffe. I eat the giraffe. Yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
Please let me mouse. Yeah? Meow. Meow. Oh. And for a board. Oh, and food.
What's that nest?
What is that? What is that, Daddy?
Let me see.
I can't still see him.
Owl.
And
Hoot, hoot.
it's scared.
Hoot, hoot.
It's a pumpkin! Yay! Ornament.
Queen.
A queen? Let me queen. A queen?
Bella's queen.
Gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh,
Rocket.
star?
Yes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Wow! And the turtle slow. It's slow, Daddy. Umbrella. A car. Ooh, let's open
That's a van
a fan.
or vehicle.
Car.
Let's see.
It's fall. Oh. A watermelon.
Xylophone.
Let me do it. Please. Please.
Xylophone.
Please. You say yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yo-yo.
Mommy, yo-yo.
It's a yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Yes.